Catnip.
I've never even touched that thing before.
I know. Yeah, that cat bed's been in here for like 3 weeks and he hasn't touched it.
Covered in catnip. It's his new best friend.
He's never sneezed before either. It's the first time he's sneezed in a while. Oh my god, dude. So high.
I want whatever he eats out.
Dude, he's strung out right now.
Where's your baby move? I covered his little baby in it too. He loves it. Look at him. It's like love. Oh!
What's wrong with it?
Holy cannolis.
Moo and I are gonna have a good time. You're cool.
I'm glad I bought that. Was he trying to pump it? Never seen him do that either. Moo, did you just remember you used to have balls?
He's so whacked out.
It's so cute. I've never seen him act like this before. I love it. So don't put catnip on anything you don't want him to crawl on.
We'll put it on the refrigerator door and probably open it.
I'm surprised he hasn't tried to open it already.
He probably could. He's strong enough.
He could.
He could.
Eating it off the floor. Is it yummy? Let's make it rain.
Yeah, make it rain.
Make it rain. Look who's
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
He's like this. Did I get it in your eye? I'm sorry. Oh, I got it in his eye. His toy is all wet. Do you slobber on it enough?
It's like, this is my new favorite room.
What, you don't want it anymore?